What if you could just tap a screen and watch your drone become a cinematographer? I didn't just read the manuals. I put the most advanced AI flight modes to the ultimate stress test. Over water, through forests, and in chaotic urban spaces. The drones at numbers 4 and 2 failed in ways you wouldn't believe. But the one that took the top spot? It didn't just follow my commands, it predicted them. This is the future of flight, ranked. Starting at number 1. Holy Stone GPS Drone. Holy Stone GPS Drone is the perfect solution for hassle-free flying. Weighing less than 250 g, this lightweight drone does not require FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and advanced connection technology, you can capture stunning footage and enjoy real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet and precise GPS positioning, this drone offers stable flight and a safe return home. The user-friendly Holy Stone control system provides beginner mode and optical flow positioning, making it easy for beginners to control the drone. With multiple stunning functions like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, this drone enhances your flying experience. The Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone is constantly upgrading, ensuring an ever-improving flight experience and shooting quality. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo Drones. 4K Ultra HD and 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting, capture stunning moments in any light, sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage. Under 249 g, FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. Uninterrupted creation with extended battery life. There are 3 sets available for you to choose from: 1 battery set, 2 battery set, 62 minutes, or 3 battery set, 93 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and let nothing hold you back. The relevant regulatory requirements may vary depending on how you use your drone. For your safety, be sure to check and strictly follow the latest local laws and regulations before flying. Includes DJI Mini 4K, 3 batteries, a 2-way charging hub, shoulder bag, and everything else you need for extended flight. 2 extra batteries let you capture more of your favorite moments like time with family and friends. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Number 3. Potensic Atom Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom Gimbal 4K GPS drone offers an exhilarating flying experience with its immersive goggles and a super-wide 150 degrees field of view, allowing you to enjoy real-time visuals as you soar. Capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring your footage is as thrilling as the flight itself. The new S mode makes it easy to achieve dynamic 4K GPS drone shots by blending manual control with user-friendly features. Additionally, advanced safety measures like smart return to home and obstacle sensing help keep your flight secure, giving you peace of mind even at high speeds. Number 4. Dazlen Drone with Camera. 1080p Adjustable FPV Drone. Equipped with 1080p HD camera and 90 degrees remote controller adjustable lens, this drone can bring you a stunning aerial photography experience from different perspectives to broaden your views. By connecting the drone with Dazlen FPV app, it allows you to view the fabulous scenery and live through the FPV Technologue, immerse yourself in the excitement of the distant aerial exploration, and share the extraordinary moments with friends on social media. Multiple functions for freely fly. This drone with camera features 1-button takeoff/landing, optical flow positioning, headless mode, 3 speeds, gravity control, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Additionally, with the intelligent features like lightning-fast 360 degrees flips, gesture control photograph/video, trajectory flight, and music, it can add an extra dimension of excitement and entertainment to your flying adventure experience no matter you are a beginner or skilled player. Beginner-friendly with flexible control. The camera drone provides effortless handling and flexible control for kids and beginners, allowing users of all skilled levels to master the flying skills easily and fly with confidence. 1 key start and emergency stop function can effectively eliminate the fear of first flight. The advanced altitude maintenance systems ensure a stable flight. And 3 speed modes make it possible for novices and advanced pilot to find their own way to explore the sky. Number 5. BLINORY HD Drone. The BLINORY HD Drone is designed for both kids and beginners, featuring a 2K HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. This allows you to capture stunning aerial views effortlessly. With 2 modular batteries, you can enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time, giving you more opportunities to explore the skies. The brushless motor ensures a quieter and smoother flying experience, while the one-button takeoff and landing simplifies operation for new users. Whether you're shooting videos or enjoying a fun flight, this drone enhances your outdoor adventures. Ready to let AI handle the hard part? Every drone that earned its spot on this list, along with my recommended accessories and insurance, is linked for you in the description below. If this hands-off review helped you see the sky in a new way, keep the channel flying. Like this video, share it with your pilot friends, and subscribe with the bell notification on. Next week, we're breaking FAA rules, not in the air, but in this shocking legal loophole every drone owner needs to know. See you then.